Chapter 11 Exponents and Power. First exercise. Find the value of 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 means power is here, exponent is 6. 2 we have to multiply 6 times. So the answer we will get that is 64. 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9 81. That again into 9 we will get that as 729. So we can write 729. 11 square is same as 11, power is here 2, so 11 into 11 2 times, which is equal to 121. 5 raised to 4, 4 times we have to multiply 5, which is equal to 625. Second question, express the following in exponential form. 6 here 4 times. So we can write that is equal to 6 raised to 4. Next here t 2 times. So t square. b 4 times. b raised to 4. Here 5 2 times. 5 square and 7 3 times. So 5 square into 7 3 times. Here 2 times, that into a 2 times, a square. Here a 3 times into c 4 times, that into d. Third question, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. 512. 512 we have to do the prime factorization. Here we are getting 2 9 times. So 2 9 times we can write that as 2 raised to 9. Second number 343. 343. That also we can do the prime factorization. Divide by 7. Here 49. Again when we are dividing with the 7 sevens are 49. So 7 3 times. We can write this as 7 into 7 which is equal to 7 cube. Next number 729. 729 we can divide by 3. 243, then 81, 27, 9, 3. So 3 here we are getting as 6 times. You can write that is equal to 3 raised to 6. Next number 3125. 3125 we can divide by 5. 625 again dividing by 5. 5. So here 5 times. You can write which is equal to 5 raised to 5. Question number 4. Identify the greater number whenever possible in each of the following. First one, 4 cube or 3 raised to 4. 4 cube we know that 4 into 4 into 4. That means 3 times we have to multiply 4. We will get that as 64. 3 raised to 4, that means 3 4 times. 3 into 3 9 27, then 3 81. When we are comparing this we can see 81 is greater than 64. That means the 4 cube is 81. 3 raised to 4 is greater than 4 cube. Second question, 5 cube or 3 raised to 5. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 25 into 5, 125. 3 raised to 5, which is equal to 5 times 243. Here we can see 243 is greater than 125. That which implies we can write 243. That means 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 cube. Third one, 2 raised to 8 or 8 square. 2 raised to 8, 2 8 times, that is 256. And 8 square is 8 into 8, 64. Here we can see that 256 is greater than 64. That means we can write 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 square in sentence. 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 square. Here next number 100 square or 2 raised to 100. 100 square is 100 into 100, 10,000. 2 raised to 100. So first we can think about 2 raised to 10. 2 10 times when we are multiplying, we are getting 1024. So 2 raised to 100, that means we can write that as 2 raised to 10, whatever the value, that raised to 10 times into raised to 10, which means 1024 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024, that raised to 10. So when we are comparing, we can see this raised to 10 times when we are multiplying 1024. Anyway, that will be greater than 10,000. So we can write 100 square, or we can write here, okay, 2 raised to 100, that is greater than 100 square. 2 raised to 100 is greater than 100 square. Next number 2 raised to 10 or 10 square. 2 raised to 10 already we got here, the previous question, same as that, 10 times 2 we had to multiply 1024. 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. Here we can see 1024 is greater than 100. That means 2 raised to 10 is greater than 10 square. So we can write in sentence 2 raised to 10 is greater than 10 square. Fifth question, express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. 648. So we had to prime factorize 648. We can divide by 2. Here 3, 2, 4. Again by 2. 1 time 12, 6, 2. By 2, 8, 1. Then by 3. 2, 7, 9. So here we are getting 2 3 times. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 4 times, which is same as 2 cube into 3 raised to 4. So this in the prime product of powers of their prime factors. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, and this is the power. 2 cube into 3 raised to 4 is equal to 648. Next number 405. 405 we can divide by 5 first. 81. Then we can divide by 3. So that is 27. So first we can write 3. 3 into 3 4 times, that into 5, which means 3 raised to 4 into 5. 5 raised to 1. Third number 540, when we are doing the prime factorization, 2 times 3 times and 5 one time. So we can write that is equal to 2 square into 3 cube into 5 raised to 1. Next number 3600. Divide by 2 and 3 then 5. Here we are getting 2 4 times into 3 2 times, that into 5 2 times. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Sixth question, simplify. 2 into 10 cube. That means 2 into 10 3 times. So this will become 1000. 2 into 2 2000. Next number 7 square into 2 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 2 square is 2 into 2, which means 7 into 7 49. 2 into 2 4. 49 into 4 it will come 196. 2 cube into 5. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that into 5. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8 into 5. 8 into 5 40. Fourth one 3 into 4 raised to 4. It is equal to 3 into 4 times, and that is equal to 758. Fifth one 0 into 10 square. We know that 0 into any number. 0 into 10 square is 100. Any number that is equal to 0. Now next one, sixth one 5 square into 3 cube, which is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 times. 5 square into 3 cube 675. Seventh one 2 raised to 4 into 3 square. 2 4 times into 3 2 times. That means 2 raised to 4 into 3 square is equal to 144. Next one 3 square into 10 raised to 4. 3 into 3 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 90,000. Seventh question, simplify. -4 cube. -4 cube means -4 into -4 into -4 3 times, that is equal to -64. We know that any negative number raised to odd number is equal to that negative answer negative number raised to odd number. That means -4 raised to 3. 3 is an odd number. So the answer also that will be the negative raised to that number. That means 4 cube. That is the answer here, -64. Next is -3 into -2 cube. So -3 into -2 3 times. Here -3 into -2 3 times, that means -8. Minus into minus plus. So it will come 24. Next one -3 square into -5 square. Here -3 square means -3 into -3, that into -5 into -5, -3 into -3 9, 5 into 5 25. So which is equal to 225. Next one -2 cube into -10 cube. which is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Here minus 2 3 times, that means minus 8. 10 3 times, that minus 1000. So which is equal to minus into minus positive. So 8000. Eighth question, compare the following numbers. Here 2.7 raised into 10 raised to 12 and 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. Here when we are comparing, we can see 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 12. We know that 10 raised to 12 is greater than 10 raised to 8, which means the first number is greater than the second number. Here 10 raised to 14 and 10 raised to 17. 10 raised to 14 and 10 raised to 17, same base and power is here more, 17. So that number is greater. Here therefore we can write 3 into 10 raised to 17, that will be greater than 4 into 10 raised to 14. Second exercise, first question, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First one, 3 square into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. So this we can write as, which is equal to 3 raised to 2 plus 4 plus 8. That is equal to 3 raised to 40. Using the rule, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. And second one, 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10. So we can write as 6 raised to 15 minus 10, which is equal to 6 raised to 5. Using the rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Next one, a cube into a square, which is equal to a raised to 3 plus 2 is equal to a raised to 5. Rule, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. We have to add the same base, then we have to add the powers. Fourth one, 7 raised to x into 7 square. 7 raised to x into 7 square, we can write as 7 raised to x plus 2. Rule is here same, a raised to m into a raised to n, same base and exponents are different, then a raised to m plus n. Fifth one, 5 square the whole cube divided by 5 cube. This we can write as first 5 raised to 2 into 3, that means 6, that divided by 5 cube, which is equal to 5 raised to 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 cube. Here two rules, a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n, 2 into 3 6. Then division, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Next one, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So we can write as 2 into 5 raised to 5. Exponents same. So we can write, the bases are different, so base we have to multiply and put the same exponent. 10 raised to 5. Rule is here, a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b raised to the same exponent. Here seventh one, a raised to 4 into b raised to 4, which is equal to a into b. That means a into b raised to 4, that we can write as ab raised to 4 using the rule different bases and same exponent. A into b raised to m, same exponent. Here 3 raised to 4, the whole raised to 3. So we can write 3 raised to 4 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to 12. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Here first we have to solve inside the bracket. 2 raised to 20 minus 15. That into 2 cube. A raised to m into divided by a raised to n is equal to m minus n. That means here 2 raised to 5 into 2 cube. Then using the multiplication with the same base and different powers. 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Here 8 raised to t divided by, so division rule. 8 raised to t minus 2. Second question, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First one, 2 raised to 2 cube into 3 raised to 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. This we can write as 2 cube into 3 raised to 4. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 4 is the composite number. This we have to convert to prime number. 4 we can write as 2 square. That divided by 3 into 32, also composite number, that we can write when we are doing the prime factorization. 32 we will get that as 2 raised to 5. Then we can write the 2 power of 2 together. 2 cube into 2 square. 2 cube into 2 square, that into 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 into 2 raised to 5. Here these two when we are taking 2 raised to 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to 4 by 3 into 2 raised to 5. Here we are doing the applying the rule a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 into 2 raised to 5. Now division rule. This we can rewrite as 2 raised to 5 and denominator also 2 raised to 5. So when we are applying the division rule, 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 3 raised to 4 and this as 1. So 3 raised to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 0 into 3 cube. Here we are applying the rule, division rule. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And that is equal to, here 2 raised to 0. We know that a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0, that means 1 into 3 cube. 1 into 3 cube, that is 3 cube. Write the answer in exponential form. So we can write the answer as 3 cube here. Second one, 5 square the whole cube into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. This we can write as 5 square the whole raised to 5 square raised to 3. So 2 into 3. Using the rule a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. That into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. Here we are getting 5 raised to 2 into 3, 6. Then again here 5 raised to 4. We can do in the next step, that divided by 5 raised to 7, which is equal to this. We can add by using the rule a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So that will come as 5 raised to 6 plus 4. divided by 5 raised to 7, which is equal to 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 7. That means 5 raised to 10 minus 7 is equal to 5 cube. Using the rule division, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Third one, 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 cube. 25 we can write, this is a composite number. Convert to prime numbers. So 5 square. We can write 25 as 5 square. That raised to 4 divided by 5 cube. Here which is equal to 5 raised to 2 into 4. 8 using this rule divided by 5 raised to 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 8 minus 3, and that is equal to 5 raised to 5. Using the rule, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn, and a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Fourth one, 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 by 21 into 11 cube. This we can write as 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 divided by 21. We can write as 3 into 7 in terms of prime numbers into 11 cube, which is equal to, when we are taking 3, here 1, this also 1. So 1 minus 1 into 7. Here 2, here 1. So 2 minus 1 into 11 raised to 8 and 3. 8 minus 3. Here we are applying the rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. And which is equal to 3 raised to 1 minus 1, that is 0. 7 raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1. 11 raised to 8 minus 3, 5. Then that we can write as a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 3 raised to 0, that also 1, into 7 raised to 1 into 11 raised to 5, which is equal to 7 into 11 raised to 5. Three raised to 7 by 3 raised to 4 into 3 cube, which is equal to 3 raised to 7 divided by, here 3 raised to 4 into 3 cube, using a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. So 4 plus 3, which is equal to 3 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 7. Then apply the division rule, m minus n. 3 raised to 7 minus 7, that means 3 raised to 0. Then apply the rule, a raised to 0, that is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Next one, 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. We know that a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0 is 1 plus 3 raised to 0, 1 plus 4 raised to 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next one is 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0. So same rule, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, that into 3 raised to 0, 1 into 4 raised to 0, 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next one, 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. We know that 3 raised to 0 is 1 plus 2 raised to 0 also 1. That into 5 raised to 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next one, next one, 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 4 cube into a cube. We can write as 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 divided by 4. We can write as 2 square, that raised to 3 into a cube, which is equal to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 2 into 3, 6 into a cube. Using the rule, a raised to m into the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Then division rule. 2 is here 8 in the numerator and 2 raised to 6 in the denominator. So 8 minus 6. A 5 in the numerator, a cube is 3 in the denominator, which is equal to 2 square into a square, which is equal to 2a square. That using the rule a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b, ab raised to m. A raised to 5 divided by a cube into a raised to 8, which is equal to, first we have to do in the bracket, a raised to 5 minus 3, that into a raised to 8, which is equal to a raised to 5 minus 3 is 2 into a raised to 8, and that using the product rule, a raised to 2 plus 8 is equal to a raised to 10. Here we are using the rules. A raised to m divided by, first we used a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, and here a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now 11th one, 4 raised to 5. 4 raised to 5 we can write as 2 square raised to 5 into a raised to 8 into b cube divided by, here 2 square raised to 5 into a raised to 5 into b square, which is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 5. That means a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m n. So 2 raised to 10 into a raised to 8 into b raised to 3 b cube by 2 raised to 10 a raised to 5 b square, which is equal to division rule m minus n. 2 raised to 10 minus 10 into a raised to 8 minus 5 b raised to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 0 a raised to 3 b raised to 1. Then a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into a cube into b, which is equal to a cube b. 12th one, 2 cube into 2 the whole square. So first we had to solve inside the bracket. 2 raised to 3. This one we can consider as 2 raised to 1. So 3 plus 1 the whole square using the rule m plus n, which is equal to 2 raised to 4 the whole square, and that is equal to m the whole raised to n mn. So 2 raised to 8. Third question, say true or false and justify your answer. First one, 10 into 10 raised to 11 is equal to 100 raised to 11. If you are taking LHS, LHS is equal to 10 into 10 raised to 11. This we can consider as 10 raised to 1. So that is equal to 10 raised to 1 plus 11 is equal to 10 raised to 12. RHS is 100 raised to 11, which means 100 we can write as 10 square raised to 11, which is equal to 10 raised to 2 into 11, and that is equal to 10 raised to 22. Here we can see 10 raised to 12 and 10 raised to 22. LHS and RHS are different. 10 raised to power as 12, here 10 power as 22. Different numbers. Therefore we can write LHS not equal to RHS. Otherwise here we can write or 10 raised to 12 not equal to 10 raised to 22. Therefore the given statement is wrong. False. Second one, 2 cube greater than 5 square. LHS 2 cube. That means 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. RHS 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. Here we can see 8 is less than 25. Here it is given LHS is greater than RHS. So the statement is wrong, false. Therefore, statement is false. Here 2 cube into 3 square is equal to 6 raised to 5. LHS 2 cube into 3 square, that is 8 into 9, 72. RHS 6 raised to 5. 5 times 6 we have to multiply. So 7776. These two numbers are not equal. That means LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore the statement is wrong. Next one. 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. We know that any number a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So that is here 3 raised to 0 is 1, which is equal to 1000 raised to 0, that also 1. So the given statement, that is true. Question number 4. Express each of the following as the product of prime factors only in exponential form. First one, 108 into 192. So we have to prime factorize both the numbers and then write in exponential form. Here when we are doing the prime factorization of 108, we are getting 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. So we can write that as 2 square into 3 cube. Here we are getting 6 times 2. So 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 1, and which is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 6, that is 8, and 3 raised to 3 plus 1, 4. So 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4, that is the answer. Next number 270. Same way we have to do the prime factorization. Here 270, when we are doing 2 into 3 times that into 5. So we can write 2 into 5 into 3 cube. Next number 729 into 64. 729 we are getting that as 3 raised to 6. And 64 we are getting 2 raised to 6. So in exponential form, product of prime factors in exponential form. So 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 6. 768 when we are doing 2 raised to 8 into 3. This is the exponential form of the given numbers. Fifth question, simplify 2 raised to 5 the whole square. That we can write as 2 raised to 5 into 2, 10. Into 7 cube divided by 8 we can write as 2 cube, the whole cube into 7, which is equal to 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube divided by 2 raised to 3 into 3, 2 raised to 9 into 7, and that is equal to 2 raised to division rule, 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1, here 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 7 square, 3 minus 2, which is equal to 2 into 49, that is equal to 98. Second one, 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 by 10 cube into t raised to 4. That is equal to 25 we can write as 5 square, that into again 5 square into t raised to 8 divided by 10 we can write as 2 into 5 cube into t raised to 4, which is equal to here 5 raised to 2 plus 2. Into t raised to 8 divided by this we can split as 2 cube into 5 cube into t raised to 4. which is equal to 5 raised to 2 plus 2, 4, into t raised to 8 divided by here 2 cube into 5 cube into t raised to 4, and that is equal to 5. We can simplify 5 raised to 4 minus 3 into t raised to 8 minus 4. 2 only there in the denominator, so keep that there itself, which is equal to 5 raised to 1, 4 minus 3, 1, t raised to 4 divided by 2 cube, that means 8. So we can write as 5t raised to 4 by 8. Now third one, 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 into 25. So 3 raised to 5 we can write the same as that. 10 raised to 5 we have to prime factorize 10. That will come 2 into 5 raised to 5 into 25 as 5 square. That divided by 5 raised to 7 into 6 we can write as 2 into 3. That raised to 5. So we can write that as 3 raised to 5 into, split this one, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 square divided by 5 raised to 7 into, split this also, 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Now the numerator, 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5. This we can combine as 5 raised to 5 plus 2. 7 divided by 5 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Then division rule. 3 raised to 5 here and here also. So 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 5 raised to 7 minus 7, which is equal to 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. That means 1 into 1 into 1, and that is equal to 1. Exercise 11.3, first question, write the following numbers in the expanded form. Here we have 2,79,404. So we can mark it here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. First number is coming in lakhs place, so that we can write as 2 into lakh. That means 3 plus 2, 5 zeros it will come, plus 7 into here this place, the 4 zeros, 10,000, plus next digit 9, 9 into 1000, plus 4 into 100, plus 0 into 10, plus 4 into 1, ones place. This we can write in 2 into 10 raised to 4. Here we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to 5. Plus 7 into 10 raised to 4. Then 9 into 10 cube plus 4 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4. 4 into 1 means 10 raised to 0. So this is the expanded form of that number. This number is 30,06,194. So 3 incoming, 10 lakhs place. So 3 into 2, 4, 6 zeros. Plus 0 into 5 zeros it will come. That means 0 itself. Again 0 into 4 zeros. Then 6 into here 3 zeros. 1000. Plus 1 into 100. Plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Same thing we can write as 3 into 10 raised to 6 plus 0 into here 10, 0 into 10, that means we can write as 0 into 10 raised to 5. 0 into any number, that is 0 itself. So we can write to keep this in the order. Plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 1000 means 10 cube. Plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 means 10 raised to 0. So we can write as 0 into in place of 0 that in 10 lakhs place. So then again 0 into 10,000 place and then 6 into 0. Next number here 2 into is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So we can write that as that plus 8 into here 5 zeros plus 0 into 4 zeros. How many places are there after that digit? That many zeros. Plus 6 into 1000, 3 zeros. 1 into 100, 9 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This we can write as 2 into 10 raised to 6 plus 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 cube 1 into 10 square 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0. Next number 1 lakh 20,000. So 1 into 1 lakh, that means 5 zeros. 10,000. That plus 2 into 4 zeros. 0 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 9 into 1. We can write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 1 into lakh, that's the way we are writing, which is equal to 1 into, here we can see 5 zeros, so 10 raised to 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 cube 7 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0. Next one 20,068, that will come as 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 cube plus 0 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to 0. Second question, find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Here we can see 10 raised to 4, 10 cube, 10 square, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 0 in descending order from 4 to. So all the digits are there given. So we can write that as 8 in 10 raised to 4, 10,000 place. Here 6 in 1000 place, 0 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place and 5 in unit place. So the number is 6,045. Here 10 raised to 5 is there, 4 is missing. So when we are writing here 4, then 10 raised to 4 is missing, that means 0. Then 10 cube, that 5, and 10 square is there, 3. Then 10 raised to 1 also is missing, that means 0, then 2. So the number it will come 4,05,302. Next number 4 is there, 10 raised to 4 is there, so that digit we can write 3. 10 cube is missing, so 0 in place of 10 cube. 10 square is there, 7, 10 raised to 1 is missing, they are also 0. Then 10 raised to 0, that means 1. By unit place digit 5. So 30,705. Next one, here 10 raised to 5 starting. So first digit is 9. Then 10 raised to 4 and 10 raised to 3 are missing. So 2 places with 0. 4, 3, then 2 is here. 10 square is there, 2. 10 raised to 1 also there, 3. The digit is 3. Then 10 raised to 0. That means unit place, so that will become 0. So the number is 9,230. Express the following numbers in standard form. Here 5 and 3, 7 zeros. So we can write that as 5 into 10 raised to 7. 7 places are there. Here 6 zeros. So 7 into 10 raised to 6. Here this number we can write as 3 point, the digits we had to write 1865. So after the point 2, 4, 6, 9 places are there. So we have to write that much, 10 raised to 9. Here 2 places are, we had to move to left. That means 3.90878 into 10 square. Here from here we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 places to left. So 3.90878 into 4 places to left, that means 10 raised to 4. Here 3.90878 into, from here we have to move 3 places to left. So 10 cube. Standard form. Question number 4. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Here it is given this in standard form, the distance between Earth and Moon. That we can write 3.84 and look at the number of places, 3, 6, then 8. So 10 raised to 8 into 10 raised to 8, and we have tried the unit also, that much meter. Next one, speed of light in vacuum. That is here given 3, that into 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So 3 into 10 raised to 8. Same unit, meter per second. Here 1.2756. 2756, that into 10 raised to, here 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So here the decimal point, 10 raised to 7. That much meter. Here 1.4 into 10 raised to 3, 6, 9. 10 raised to 9 meter. Here in a galaxy there are an average 1 into 10 raised to 11. 10 raised to 11 stars, same unit. Next is universe is estimated to be about, so 1.2 into 10 raised to 10 years old. Next one, the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to, here 3 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, so 20. 10 raised to 20. Next one, here molecules contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. So 6.023 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 3, 21 plus 1, 22. 10 raised to 22 molecules. Next one, the earth has 1.353 into 10 raised to 123. So 3 into 3, 9. 10 raised to 9 cubic kilometer. Next, the population of India was 1.027. 123 into 10 raised to 9.